You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from French. It's a word from French cuisine, and it also means slippers, as the shoes that you put to stay inside. Okay, so it's both a recipe of some sort of a viennoiserie and also slippers. Chausson is the French pronunciation. Chaud, yes, CH is pronounced like SH in French. Chausson. Chausson. Can you say this? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.